I think I've finally bought the wrong car. I sold all my other cars, sold all the Ops. This one's still here because it's a Cat S. It was a good price. I thought, yeah, whatever. I don't mind being stuck with a car because I can still drive it. It's not exactly the most exciting car I could have got stuck with. It's 59 horsepower. It's a boiled egg. Luckily, with some assistance from my sound engineer, which is me, and my advanced editor, also me, we can make this car look naughty. Turbos as well, bro. You ready? I'm not 20. There we go. We're in the red line, but I didn't even clock. Usually you can tell you're in the red line, a bit more power, but bloody hell, not in here. Woo! Get gapped. Why is the cyclist got an Atlas? What a dickhead. Get a phone, G. Nah, I'm just deep. He's rolling around on his Carrera mountain bike with an A to Z. What a loser. Bro, gear 4 and 5 in here is so pointless. Oh, I might even use gear 2. There we go. Woo! What a fucking run. Why is it shut? What is the... There's literally nothing... Oh... I can't lie, it actually makes the car feel quicker. You know, everyone complains, oh, fake sounds coming from the engine. Bro, you need that shit. You need it in here. I wish this had fake sounds. Why is all the roads shut today? Yeah, it's gonna be kind of a wank video because all my roads are closed, but we still got this one in it. Only issue is this one's a straight road, and the thing I know I'm trying to keep under 60. Really and truly, it only goes about 80, 70. It's still not that sick. So I prefer the wiggles to the straights, innit? Anyway, back to the important discussion. 100 mile an hour. 110. 120. 120 on the straight. But I'm thinking of doing a rotated launch. I'll show you a lot of that is in a that I'll show you lots what that is in a second, or maybe 2 seconds. So you're a twat, bro. Just go round. You can see it's clear. So he's causing diversion there. You need to go, my brother, because you're not crossing my path. Rolling launch. All that commotion for 44. Nah, I can't like this. The thing is, I got someone coming for it today, yeah. But obviously that's just a viewing, innit? No promises made. This is why I'm even testing it today. Make sure if anything's out of place. Last time I drove it was for this Google account, where I tend to upload my MP4 files. So I needed to test run this in it. It's no hard, innit, though. 2 videos a week. It's not that hard. I'm Bakersley Lily Phillips, innit? Just slap on a strap on for the day and get some content, bro. Right, you lot are taking... Am I gonna have to do an overtake in the op? I reckon he's probably just scared, because you gotta think what he can see in his rear view. So he's looking. I would have straight around him at least 90. At least 90. I'll downshift next to you, bro. I'll make you sell that C1. Yo, name a car that's slower than this in the comments. 59 horsepower. I might be wrong. That's just what my boy told me. It might actually be the slowest production car. Obviously there's probably something abnormal, but I'm talking like a car that the general public that you see them driving about in. You see loads of these, but I'm struggling to understand why. I don't even have Bluetooth, and it's a 2015 car. Gear knob into sport. I'm gonna do a V8 now. You ready, boys? traction, bro, in the G-Wagon. Brakes are actually really good. That was a full emergency stop. That's not that bad. Oh, I don't get why this is shut. This is such a good... Is it shot for that? Because I'm more than happy to hit the grass, bro. Oh, nah, I can't, I can do, bro. This is a jawline workout. If you do looks maxing, you can't do pretend to be a V8. I'm gonna lose my voice, mate. Oh, we've only gone and done it. Why have these man shot my road, bro? They do not know I'm a stakeholder in that road. And if I'm not, I should have shares in that road, technically. Are you looking at me dirty, bro? You look like you're from Springfield, you China man. That's actually not very nice, is it? Why give me a dirty look? You opened your door on me. I wasn't even upset. You were upset. You opened your door in the road and then you got upset. This is on you. We're not gonna let that get in the way of our fun. Bro, have I got blue lights in my car or something? Everyone's just moving out of my way. Right. Just can't be bothered. Why is he laughing at me for? Acting like I don't look like a G in the flesh. I don't even know if that was my right of way, bro. Fuck knows, bro. Not a clue. Oh, we've got a good race here. We've got a very fair race. I think it's only right if I gap it. Oh, you've got to be joking, bro. What's happening in there then? Oh, he's definitely a little dog in spot, innit? I just put you lot on for free. Right, sorry, I was just pinning my location. Anyway. Nah, bro, this is the worst car channel in the... This is so shit. I don't even class myself as a car channel. I think I'm just in the laughing stock sector. Thirsty work, all this rally driving. I'm getting blooming hot. Bro, it struggles to wheel spin on sand. My BMX bike used to wheel spin on sand. And this car seems fine though. Hopefully it sells today. It's got a good history and all that. The only issue is Cat S. But I've also priced it to be a Cat S. So hopefully things go my way. I don't even know why I'm telling you lot. You lot have lost the plot, bro. Bro, some of you lot were saying, I paid, I forgot what I paid. But I bought a Nissan Note and you lot were all saying, oh, scam, overpaid, scam. But at the time I posted the video, I'd already made 900 quid profit on the car. Most of you lot don't have obviously you lot just see the car and just think, oh yeah, I would have paid a grand. Bro, they're not on for a grand, and if they're on for a grand, they got issues, they gotta fix them up, and then they cost the same price I paid. You just told me that I flogged it and didn't have to do an ounce of work. Oh, scam. Let's give this car a proper send-off in it. This car gave me good views in it, so it's only right we give it some screen time, because I truly think he's gonna buy it, bro. The car's actually really good. You're a good car, cuz you've been getting a lot of hate in the comments, people saying you're slow. You didn't care, bro. You stood on business and I rate you for that. You've got a patch of rust, but you passed your MOT. I rate you for that. And when I needed a POV driver, you stepped in, and I rate you for that, and I'll remember that. Now you make sure your next owner don't rag you the way I did. You're a gangster, you know. You've been scarred on the way. Someone even jumped your seat, bruv. It's a shit box, but it's my shit box. None of you can call it that. Sorry, man. Sorry, I was out of it. It's a emotional moment, man. I don't think I'm gonna have it up for a while now. I'm gonna try and get a 0 to 60 for you, man, innit? Show you lot the severity of the situation. Right, second thoughts on that. Nah, it's too long, bro. The thing is, you're probably thinking we just need a mile strip. Nah, bro, we need a 3-mile strip, if I'm honest. And that's putting it lightly. If you even want to get to 60, you've got to strip down the car for parts, really lose some weight and get that 60 benchmark. It's not easy.